Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about convert XPT datasets to SAS datasets. As a little programmer, um, you will often receive raw data or SDTM data um, that need to be used for SAS programming. So um, you will usually receive the XPT format dataset instead of SAS dataset. So the very first thing you might need to do is convert this XPT dataset to SAS dataset so that you can use SAS to read your dataset. So how we do that? Here I give you an example. This is a macro to convert the XPT dataset to SAS dataset. So basically you have this macro XPT to SAS and your dataset name you can name later. First you will set your location for the output. Where would you like your converted dataset in? So here I give the example that you can output your SAS dataset at the same um, folder with the XPT dataset, which is this folder data in. So you need the exporter export here for your XPT dataset where they are. So this is the folder. Okay, this is the folder for your XPT dataset. This is for the folder of SAS dataset. They are the same folder. And then you will use product copy, and then in and out lab name, and select your dataset name, and that's it. So to run your macro, you just put your XPT dataset name here and just batch run, and you will get your SAS dataset.